Hey people, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to unbox I Want to Give Away. And it is from one of my favorite YouTubers. And I have a lot, guys. I mean, I have like my core, like 12 ladies that I watch as when I can. Some weeks I don't get to watch them as much as I would like to, just due to my schedule. But I've met Alex here on YouTube. Her channel is Life with a City Girl. I love her opening. It makes me think of Sex in the City. I can't wait to see her on camera. And I know the feeling, Alex, because when I first started my channel, I was behind the camera for 2 years, 3 years maybe. And so it took a while before I wanted to put my face out there, and I don't know, I just was more comfortable behind the camera. And so, and here we are. And I talk like I hadn't had a 3-year struggle. I just didn't want to be in front of the camera. Did I show y'all my address? Oh hell, I might have to do this video over. But it came all wrapped. It arrived today, and she put it in a I love with food box. I know that's right, girl. Word. And this is such a treat, because that damn storm had people running around with their heads chopped off, spending money that they really could have been putting to use in another way. My house is still boarded up. I'm scared to have them took down because we have special landlords here in Florida. And so some of them don't like to protect their property. And so I'm reluctant to have them come back out and take them down in case another storm is right behind Dorian. I feel for the people in Bahamas. My grandparents, my father's family is from the Bahamas. And so I'm trying to look at my budget and see what relief things I can send. I'm all over the place. We just gonna talk. And so, yeah, this came today. And me and my mail lady, we were talking, and she told me about a couple places up the street that is getting as much cleaning supplies and things to send over there. So if you're in an area and you're you have an outreach that's doing something like that, I would encourage you guys to you know, donate and send what you can, because it could have been any one of us, to be honest. So by God's grace, Florida was spared, but Bahamas wasn't. And she wrote a little note. I like Alex. I like, and she gets in and out. I wish I could be like her. I aspire to be like you, girlfriend, with that time. Congratulations on winning my 100 subscriber giveaway. Enjoy, and thanks for all your support, Alex, Life of a City Girl. Yeah, I'm not a snob, man. I love people's channels that's got like umpteen 100 million, and I think her channel needs to grow. Mine need to grow, but hers need to grow too. And I would highly encourage anyone who watches this video that you go over and check Alex out, because she really do present short, timed videos. She gives you very good information. I think the layout and the visibility of the products that she's talking about is good. And something about her voice, to me, is soothing. And I just like being over there when I can. I feel at peace, bro. There you go. And I'm not saying it because I won. I'm saying it because I mean it. So we have something in an Ipsy bag. So I'm going to pull some stuff out. Mind you, I don't remember. And she did show in the video everything that the winner would be getting. Oh, I got the Happy Camper. And this came from one of her subscriptions. And would you believe I don't really own these? So I'm very glad to have this to put my little water bottles in. And I think it helps with the sweat, to keep it from sweating. Because look, it's got even a little butt. And yeah, it helps with grip and all that. So one, you know what? These are one of my boys' favorite colors is green. So I like this. And let's see here. Now we have a Collagen Natural Essence Mask. The optimum skin condition is maintained by collagen extracts to make elasticity and Moisturizing for tight skin and simple nourishing. Okay. Food Chocolic. Never heard of it. The brand, but hey, I like masks. 2 peel-off masks. So this one's got 2. Rosy All Day Rose Gold Peel-Off Mask for all skin types. It's saying leave on for 15 and 20 minutes. So I've been trying to do that. Something nice for my skin each week. What's this? I think these are earrings, guys. Saying you got this. Screechy. These may be earrings. Or it might not be. I'm not sure. These could be charms. These could be charms. I don't know. I'm going to message Alex and find out. Hey! Someone was saying it was too old for an anklet. No, you're not. If you want to walk that thing at 75 years old, do you, bro? Do you? It's a free world. So I'm excited because I used to get them in 14 and 24 karat gold and my name on them and all that fancy dancy stuff. And I don't know what the hell happened. But this is an anklet and I'm happy to have it. And I will be rocking it. Ooh, look, guys. Look at look what we got here. Okay, so we're gonna start with this. This caught my eye. Got stuck to a piece of tape. I like this kind of stuff. I appreciate this. Made by my Soap Grams Hawaiian Paradise, and this is a glycerin-based soap. And I'm seeing coconut oil, palm oil, purified water, mica, sorry. So this is soap. I can smell it too. That pineapple is coming up. Let's see here now. Cream, hydrant, moisturizing hand cream. What's the scent? It's looking like rose. It'd be nice. Oh, hello. You know, the world has been on this rose kick lately. Why not mix rose with some other stuff, you know? Just, they really been rosing us. I just unboxed some stuff from Sephora and a couple of things was rose. Oh, that is, look at that, guys. Compared to ash. Look. Oh, yeah. Oh, and the rose is very fragrant. When I saw that, I thought rose and cherry or rose and strawberry. I don't know if it'll go together, but that's me for you. Spa Luxtique Ocean Body Butter and Rich Shea Butter. It looks, you know what, certain things I think they nail it with the packaging and the scent, which is what they're going for. Some things don't hit the mark. This smells beachy. This smells like an outdoorsy water event. I'm really liking it, and it does dry down kind of velvety. And then here's the coordinating body lotion. So you got a shea enriched more body butter, and then you have a shea enriched body lotion. Let's see what else we have here. Rocks. Eat, beach, and sleep. Repeat. This is a sunscreen stick. I've never used a sunscreen stick, but this was in her unboxing. I used to get them years ago. That soap company. Oh my God, that smells good. I like that. And I like the portability factor. I like that it's in a tube. It's a different form of applying sunscreen. You could literally just bob it on and go. And you could easily wipe the top off with a little paper towel all day and forever. This is a 2-in-1 tinted lip cheek butter with raspberry seed oil. What? This is this is a little cheek, like a blush, and then a little lip color. This is a 2-in-1 in the color coral with raspberry seed oil. Interesting. You know, this I like this. Cremo, a moisturizing shaving cream. Coconut mango and possibly slick formula dramatically reduces nicks and razor irritation. Give you the closest, most comfortable shave. And I've seen this in Target, I think, or Walmart. And I've been curious about it. So I'm glad to have a tube of this. And then we have a little baggie here of some other items. This was very generous. Especially with the start of a channel, a new channel, and rewarding her subscribers and just giving us an opportunity to win and not focusing on the number, I think is really cool. And again, anyone who watches this video, definitely go check Life of a City Girl out. I put it in the first comment box below. And this is a Zoya. I've always wanted to try Zoya nail polish in white. I think this would be nice, like a winter white as an accent color. This is cute. I think I might. I want to do it now, but then that'll not allow me to dig in the other things. And what do we have here? Tosh Cosmetics. And these are some little, hold on guys. I'm thinking these are some little eyeshadows. I think I got some glitter press eyeshadow primer. Because glitter pigments adhere to the glitter eyeshadow a little bit better. But I got a lot of different primers, so I'll test it on that. If I don't have the glitter primer from e.l.f. anymore, until I go buy one Pacific for this. But we have like a champagne color. We've got like a gold. Then we have like a rose gold. All three colors I generally use on a regular, in regular palette form. So I'm excited to try this. Then we have a pretty little lavender. And then this is like a, not quartz, but like a slate gray metallic-y kind of color. Here. I think that this was fantastic. This was generous. I see a lot of things that I will actually put to use. I am very appreciative to winning. I think this is a very nice welcome, because today is kind of like my first business mode day since the whole shutting down of things and stuff from the storm. And these are a lot of usable items. The lotion, the body butter, the shaving cream. I do like this nail color. I would probably put it like here or on the thumb, but just like a little pop of it somewhere. I love this. So I'm torn right now between if I want to put it in my handbag or by my little end table. But I like this. I like that it doesn't feel sticky or anything. This is nice, and I need to look into who is this brand. You could never have too many sunscreens. And I like the scent of this and everything. I have a soap, and this is fragrant. This smells just like a beach. I can't wait to pop this on. This is, I seen this. I wasn't subscribed to Luxury Divas at the time, and I was like, oh, I want one. I don't know what this is, but I'll find out. I'm thinking of putting it on my planner, like a planner charm. It has a mask. Never had this before. I mean, not since like a kid and my grandparents or someone would have something like this around when we would do barbecues or something, but my own personal in my house, I don't have these. And I own a ton of water bottles and tea steepers and this and that. So these would come in handy. The eyeshadows. Bravo, bro. Bravo. I like this. I think this is giving me some stuff to play with. Something new and interesting, and brands that either wanted to try or is new to me. So I appreciate it. Awesome giveaway winnings. Thank you so much, Alex. And I should have a little downtime over this weekend. So I saw you posted a couple of videos and I want to get over there and watch them. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a blessed day. Peace. And don't forget to like and subscribe.